Hello guys, welcome back to Lanap. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals freezing and crashing. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're getting this problem, or in this case freezing and crashing, well, the solution is from your settings. So you need to change a few things here, especially your graphic settings, in order for you to avoid these issues. So first things first is you want to go and open up Marvel Rivals, and you want to go to the top right of your screen and click on the gear icon and choose settings. Now here you want to go to the display tab. Now what we need to do is we want to go and choose or change a few things. So first is you want to go ahead and go to your anti-aliasing and super resolution type. Now from this one, depends on what GPU you're using. You might want to use NVIDIA DLSS if you're using NVIDIA, but if you're using AMD, choose AMD FSR. Now another thing that you might want to change here is going to be these switches that you see here. So you have the limit FPS, show FPS, network stats, and VSync. Now for VSync, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you turn this off until needed. So that actually prevents screen tearing here, but usually you need to turn this off to reduce the lag. Now for FPS, I recommend you turn this on and limit this to a specific cap. Now if you notice like you're getting, like for example, the max that you could get for your FPS is around 70, you want to set this to only 60, because sometimes your computer or your laptop could actually push itself, and sometimes it's going to jump to 80 or 90, and it's not going to handle that really great. So what you need to do is you need to limit this so that it actually guarantees that you're using or you're consistently getting that specific FPS. So in this case, if you're getting 70 max, maybe use 60. If you're getting 80 max, maybe use 70. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to go to graphics. Now, in here, I recommend you to use the optimize option, but in some cases, if you're like still having some issues, change the graphic quality here either to low or medium. So for example, if you're before you're using ultra, try using high. If you're using high, try medium, or if you're using medium, try low here. Now, another way here is you could also copy the settings I have right now. So in this case, everything is low. Instead, besides the texture detail as well as the model detail here. Now, from then on, you could go back here and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lenap. Thank you for watching.